Entrepreneurs often launch or relaunch their business or a new service without having a pre-launch strategy. But here's the thing. If you wait until the moment you launch to start telling people about your new endeavor, you'll miss out on a great opportunity to leverage the big event. So you've got to start building buzz and excitement long before your big day. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs level up their business online with a brand and website that connects with their dream clients. And you've got a great opportunity to start making that connection even before your business actually launches. I get it. It's really easy to get caught up in the creation and not to even think about sharing what you're doing with anyone until the day you launch it. But you'll be starting from zero if you go this route, when you could be starting off making sales. Now, many of you have my 30 days to launch playbook. If not, head over to dowellwebsites.com/30-day launch to get it. It's free. And if you're following it, you've got 30 days or 4 weeks to start priming the pump before your launch. It's not a long time, so you've got to be really strategic. Let's go over a few things that you can include to start building excitement and to get people talking. Teasers and sneak peeks. Everybody loves a look behind the scenes. So as you're building your business, you can show bits and pieces of what that process looks like. Think about makeover scenes in movies. I just love those, don't you? I think everybody does. So if you're leveling up your brand, consider showing what the transition looks like along the way. You'll help to bring intrigue and anticipation to what you're building, and people just love to see behind the scenes. Another thing you could include is a launch promo. A great idea is to come up with something special to give away as incentive for someone to keep watching what you're doing. This could come in the form of a special discount or a bonus, limited samples, or maybe a preview of your product or services. This works really well when you let your audience know ahead of time that something's in it for them and that they need to stick around and stay tuned. And lastly, pre-orders and sign-ups. By having a limited number of early spots available for your service or your programs, you can add a sense of urgency to your pre-launch strategy. This may be something like, I only have 3 spots left this month, so grab yours now before I open the doors to the public. People love this because they feel like they're being invited to something exclusive by having early access. To sum it up, your pre-launch strategy works kind of like fertilizer in a garden. You're prepping the soil to plant the seeds so that you can have ripe fruit when the time comes. It's all about creating curiosity around your business and leveraging the event of something new coming to start building an audience. Then by the time you're ready to launch, your audience isn't cold and surprised to be hearing from you. Instead, they've been listening already and they kind of feel like they know you, kind of like a friend. And people are usually more than happy to support their friends. So making this connection is key. Now, if you're saying, yes, this is exactly what I need to do, and you're ready to start diving into taking action, then I want you to join my upcoming workshop, The Simple Business Launch Method. You'll learn the foundational elements that you need to launch or relaunch your business with a brand and website that connects with your dream clients. So hurry and grab your spot because we're starting soon over at dowellwebsites.com/workshop. I'm here every week with new videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.